Hey love, so you know that planner that you haven't written in forever? That one that's been like mine collecting dust on a shelf somewhere in your office? It is time to officially stop wasting money on planners and stop it with all the 100 and million systems that you're working in, because I'm about to show you how you can turn the project management tool you use every day into your very own digital planner so that you can plan your day with ease. Let's do this thing right now. Whoop, whoop. So first things first, go ahead and get logged right on in and create your new list. You want to create a list named Daily Planner, or for mine, I call it a Daily Planner intending list. And then you want to hit enter and then head on over to board view so that you can actually see this in a full, almost weekly planner layout, if you will, because you'll be able to see every day of the week. And we will customize this so that you have every day of the week on here. So you want to go to those three dots, hit edit list statuses, and that is where you will be able to click your statuses and create them as days of the week. Now I do have a status called to plan that I have as a dumping ground for all of my tasks that I want to do. I just don't have a day or time of the month that I really want to do it on quite yet. So I kind of still want to plan it on my calendar. And then of course you can continue with doing your additional days of the week. As you can see, you can go in here and create colors and change colors. And I usually like to do my colors of my days based upon the themes of the week, because I might have a Monday for an admin day, or a Tuesday for client calls, and Wednesday and Thursday for client work, and then I have Fridays for marketing. So of course you can essentially create a day of the week and even name your statuses as Monday dash admin or Tuesday dash client calls, however you like to do it. And now once you go ahead and hit done, you will see the magic happen, because then those old copy, cookie cutter statuses will be gone. And now you see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you can start to go ahead and add in your tasks that you would like to do on those specific days of the week. The cool thing about this is you can make any task really a recurring task. So you can have a separate task for check emails every day of the week and set check emails on Mondays to continue to recur every Monday. So literally you just log in, go to your day of the week and start on your task. These tasks can be anything from, following up with your clients, or planning a launch for your business, or planning a birthday party for your kids. It can be literally anything. So you can go ahead, set up and plan out your week and really get the ball rolling on how you're going to get your work done. And it's really just getting it in here. The same way that you would write in your planner on a Monday, this is due and this is what I'm going to do. You can do the same exact thing right here in your project manager, and even assign like a time. So if I have a call with someone, I can literally put the person that I need to have the call with and what time I'm going to chat with them, the same way I would write in my planner or a to-do list. And this hybrid model of putting your to-do list / planner in one place is really going to help you, even down to planning your client work with your clients and the things that you need to do for them as well. It's a game changer. No joke. Now, one thing I want to mention is don't be afraid to open up your tasks and literally assign due dates and, details, addresses. If you have a doctor's appointment or a kid's birthday party you need to be at, don't be afraid to put the address or any details that need to be associated with that task or with that appointment, so that you don't forget where you need to be or what needs to happen. It's very easy to forget where you're supposed to be, so definitely put all those details right in the task and you'll be good to go. Now, if you are not a ClickUp user and you prefer Trello or Asana, you can adapt this same method of transforming your to-do list and the planner you never use into your daily work plan. You can totally create a board, add each list as a day of the week and start throwing your task in there so that all you have to do is log in for the day and see what you need to focus on without being confused and without missing a beat. And of course, yes, you can add some, appointments into your Google Calendar, but I think it's super cool to be able to look at all of your tasks in the calendar view of your project management tool for your daily planner, specifically any project for that matter, so that you can actually open things up, look at what's on your calendar, and make appointments with people. Okay, so as you can see, using your project management tool as your planner is like a genius move because you're logging in there every day to do tasks for yourself, for your business, and for your clients anyway. Why not hijack the system and use it as your very own digital planner? Tell me how you like this method below, and go ahead and hit subscribe for all of my future videos right here. Cannot wait to inspire you, share with you, give you all the tips that I have going on in this little mind of mine. Wish you so much success this week. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye.